Hello everyone, it's me again, Ralph. I need to clean up these phones. This is my new toys. I like to play with phones. So I have this S22, Galaxy S22. And then I also had other things, and right at the moment I'm going to clean it because it's so dirty already. I need to take out the dust because I keep putting it on my pocket, and but I'm using this for the Philippine number phone for playing with GCash, sending money to the Philippines. I'm using this phone with my Philippine e-wallet. I mix it with the things I do here also in the UK with some of the apps application. Sometimes I do mining in my phone, Bitcoin mining, anything, just with playing with apps around. And at this time I need to clean it. It's already very dirty. In my dialect it's so gobot hugaw. So that's it. I need to clean it up. So I have to wipe the side. So I got this S22, and I don't have the S23. So I got like S22, S24, and I don't have the 25, I have the 26. So this is the S26. I'm going to open it. Asag yun nidapit maabli. So I'm going to open it and see how this one goes. But I'm going to set this up with a new profile. So let's see what's inside. Oh, so that's it. S26. So I had both with me the lens protector. I need to put the lens protector, protect it with the lens. Protect the lens. So there I also need to get that cover. Yeah, I have also a 360 case for the phone, which I get in maybe it's just around $4.99 case, so it will not look very expensive, but it's alright. Yeah, just for curiosity, and I can play with this one. Let's see how this one goes. I have to compare it with other phone. This one is no longer my hands, it's somebody else. I just take it out and put it here so you can see, guys, what's inside the phone. So probably we need to open this up so we can make some comparison within the S25 and the S26. But there. So S26, you already have a privacy mode. So when you tilt it a little bit, now you can no longer see. You don't need a privacy screen protector. You just turn it off and turn it on. So this is what happened if you're going to look at it in a microscope and blow it up. So when you go to privacy mode, some of the lights there are being turned off. It goes darker so you cannot see. So in comparison with the S25, yeah, the pen also you cannot interchange it. The other one is a little bit bigger compared to the S26. So you get the S25. S24. I don't have the 25 compared with the S26. So this one we're going to heat it up and then open so that we can see what's inside. Yeah. So don't worry, this isn't my phone. I just try to pick up some videos of somebody opening the phone, and then I embedded it here. So we'll see. So what's inside. So yeah. You can go to Jerry. He usually rigs everything and open it up. So you can go to Jerry and try to see what he's doing. You can subscribe to his channel as well. You can also subscribe in my channel, and then you can see. Oh, so that's it. Oh, it still works, but I can turn it off. Yeah. So he's going to destroy everything. I know he can work it out. Yeah. So that's for the wireless charging. Also, you can scratch it there and then see how it goes here. Take it out, wireless. This is our for the wireless charging, so it will adapt. So that's how you destroy the phone, guys. For curiosity's sake, so you can see what's in there. Oh, there are things, many things there. I like doing things like this. So you open the side, so that's where the pen gets in, you know. So there's a cover, so the pen will be there. You can pull it out, see, and put it in. So that was the like a tape cover, and you can also pry it and take it out there. Okay. So that's it. Spend your time watching, guys, and we'll just open it up. So that's the inside of S24 Galaxy. So these are the speakers. And this is where the sound comes out. You can take that small. When you break it, you see like small white balls, and there's a lot of it. So the reason we have that because it controls the vibration. You know, when you make a sound. Because in the speaker, it's like a buffer. You know, it's there, and batteries are okay. So it lasts longer compared to the other one. This like is running in a higher watts compared to the other one. I won't go on details with that one because I forgot. I just want to see what's inside. So you can also see. So sort of thing that sticks the battery in there, so just take it out. Yeah, it's another connector here for charging. Yeah, so we try to open this one out. I think maybe we have to pull this one out, see what is this doing here. Yeah, and that one, yeah. Maybe I should try to memorize everything and explain to you what is that, but I can't remember as well. So, you know, if you love opening things up, and you will easily get what is that. So you just take out, this is where the cameras are. Just take it and break it up, put it apart. So yeah, it's quite smaller. Yeah, so that's where the camera. Yeah, you can also dismantle it. Okay, we'll see how this one will go. You know, so I need to move it. Yeah, so that's it. So that's where the camera is. Need to take the camera out, so it wasn't very big. Yeah. There, take everything out, disconnect everything, also disconnect the back screen there, and there's the camera is taken out. Yeah, you can disconnect everything, and we'll see how this camera is working. So we got 3 cameras, and then you have to compare it. You know. The other one is quite trolling, the other one is not. So it's alright. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Oh, it's like an eye there. Yeah. So as you can see there, it's not. So this is like a magnet on the side, and then it's so shiny. There's a flex cable. So the flex cable on the sides, and you pull it apart. We have to break this one out. So that's it. That's how big it is. So this one is covering the lens. This one is, what's the secondary? Yeah. And there's like a magnet there. So you get the lights in there and pink thrown in there. And you know, it's interpreted on this and digitally interpreted. So that's how it is. It's calculated, and then you can see the image. So that's it. Yeah. So this part is moving. You can. So it's probably for the focus. You know, little movement in there. So okay, so it goes into the side. This one is no way we can put it back. We break it already. So that's it. Everything is damaged now. So for curiosity's sake, we can see what is inside. So I thank you, Jerry, for making this video, and I was able to use it as well for my video, and I like the way what you do. So you guys, if you want to see things being open, just go to Jerry. Don't go to Tom. Just Jerry. So that's it. That's what is inside of the S26 Ultra. So it still works, guys. Fine, and enjoy it. Anyway, at least you have time to see it. And thank you guys for coming and visiting my YouTube channel. Thanks for your subscription as well.